5 reasons to eat quinoa. Quinoa is one of the world's most popular health foods. It is actually a seed, but it is prepared and eaten similar to grains like rice and oats. It comes from the Chenopodium quinoa plant, which originated from South America. It has been eaten there for thousands of years, where they call it as the mother of all grains. Here are 5 benefits of taking quinoa. High in protein with all the essential amino acids. It is high in protein and one of the few plant foods that contain sufficient amount of all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a good option if you are a vegan or vegetarian. 1 cup of quinoa has as much protein as 1/4 pound hamburger patty, without all the added fat and cholesterol. Low glycemic index and high fiber content. Quinoa has a high fiber content and a low glycemic index of around 53. This means it won't cause as dramatic a spike in blood sugar compared taking rice and other grains. Gluten-free. Going gluten-free helps to improve cholesterol levels, promotes digestive health, increases energy levels and promotes healthy weight loss. Packed with vitamins and minerals. It has essential minerals such as magnesium, zinc, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, which you rarely find together in just one food source. Also, it has B vitamins, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. Easy to incorporate into your diet. It is easy to prepare and can be ready to eat in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. Just cook the way you cook your rice, adding 2 cups of water for every cup of quinoa. Make sure you buy the pre-rinsed quinoa, which already has the layer of saponins removed. Else it may have a bit of a bitter flavor. When cooked, you can eat it to replace your rice and grains. Or you can add as filler to your favorite wraps and salads. There are also tons of other quinoa recipes you can find on the internet. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about quinoa and where to purchase it, just send us a message in our FB page.